Hi. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you on how you can get whmcs yourself and install it on your server if your web hosting provider is not providing the whmcs for free. You can get it directly from this website, which is whmcs, and get the 15-day free trial offer they have here, as you can see. Simply click on that and sign up, and by filling the form there, which we're gonna do now. So let's do that. So I'm gonna fill out this entire form, and I'm gonna pause this video for a second while I'm filling this out so we can go ahead and sign up. Okay, so I filled it out. Now let's go down and click the sign up button here. So we got the order. So now I suppose we can go to the client area here. As you can see, the client area, I'm gonna point it out to you. Here's the client area. Just click on there. Okay, and let's click here. Now we can download the script under My License and Services here. Sorry about that. My License and Services here. You can see there. So click there. And here we have the 15-day free trial license. Now we can start downloading the scripts by clicking this here. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna click that. So scroll down to the bottom. We have the whmcs version 4.2.1, the stable release. We want to download that into our computer, and then we're gonna upload it into our server and install the whole thing. After that, I'm gonna show you on how you can configure the whole whmcs until it's ready to start accepting signups. So let's download this for now. I'm gonna click there, and I'm gonna save here. Okay, we're good to go. Now I'm going to stop this video and let's continue on the next one, where I'm going to show you on how we can install the whole thing, and then on the next video after that on how we can configure the whole whmcs until it is ready to start accepting the first sign up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.